I still remain Jack Sax, your online saxophone music coach and tutor. And now I'm going to teach you a technique called slurring technique. All right, now, what is a slurring technique? Slur is one of those techniques that allows two closely related notes to be played as one. All right, now, to continue on that, I'm going to show you some of the most closely related notes that can be slurred. All right, now, your T to your do can actually be slurred. All right, now we have this as your low B and your low C, right? So I can slot from low B to my low C, okay? So which is going to be what? T to do, right? Already, these are two notes, all right? But I want them to be played as one in one beat, all right? Now, there are difference between you playing something like T, do, and when you play T, do, do is different from playing T do right now. So how you are. These are two notes, right? Played on two different beats, all right? But now I want it to be played on one beat, in one beat. Right? Right? Now, and the next note is going to be what? Um, your C sharp to your D, which is going to be what? D re, right? So, how it is. It's different from me playing. But I'm going to play it. Okay, now the next notes you have is your D sharp or your E flat to E. Okay, is read to me. So I'm not gonna play it as, but rather I'll play it as. Okay, and the next note is gonna be what? E to F, which is me to fa. All right. So and I'll play it as. Okay. Then the next one is F sharp to G, which is Fi to Sol, right? Okay. Now the next I have is G sharp to A, which is gonna be what? Z to La. Okay. Now the next I will have is A sharp or B flat to B, which is this. Right? And the next on the other octave is going to be what? B again to my C. But this time around, I'm not going to be playing like B, C, B, C. No, but I'm going to hold down my B and I'll add my side C. All right? So I'll have it at. All right? Okay. In that order. That's how to play your slur. All right, and now I'm going to apply it on a particular song. Amazing Grace, how sweet that sound. Yeah, it's gonna sound. Instead of me to just play, but now I'm gonna play. Instead of me to play E now, but I'm moving from E flat to E. Alright. It's different from me doing. apply my snores. So I'm gonna play. That's fi sol do re mi do re mi. Now di re do zi la sol fi sol do re mi do re mi re sol. Now slow again. Re mi sol re mi sol re mi do. All right. Fi sol zi la sol. All right. Sol do re mi do re mi di do. Is that okay? So that's it. Thank you for watching.